Right, this is the problem of the day today. Best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. I think I've done it in the past. There are a bunch of different variations of this. I might just one day just do all of them. But okay, so you're given an array prices. Prices of I is the price of a given stock on the IR today. When the maximum profit you can achieve, you may complete as many transactions as you like. That is, buy one and sell one share of stock multiple times with the following restrictions. After you sell your stock, you cannot buy your stock on the next day. Okay. Note, you may not engage in multiple transactions simultaneously. So there is this. So the only constraint that we have is you can buy and sell any number of times, but once you sell, you cannot buy on the next day. So there is a forced rest day, right? So there is a forced cool down after selling. So on a given day, what can I do? I have what are my options, right? One option is I buy, or rather, I'll do this. My states, right? These are the three states that I have bought. Uh, could be in the past day. So this could be today or any of the past or any past day, right? We don't know that, but that is one state. Second state is I have sold, right? So that means that I don't hold any. So sold on some past, sold. It could be that I sold today or sold on some past day. That is another state. Or the third state could be I have to rest. That just means that I sold the last day, right? That's these are the three. Uh, if I rest, that means essentially uh, these are the three states that we have to maintain. Now, if you just define those three states as three different variables, so int buy and so right. So when I do int buy, uh, okay, and then other is int sell and the other is rest. Now, what does this mean? This means balance after buy, right? And this is my balance after sell, and this is my balance after rest. Okay, so initial balance is obviously zero. Once you buy, you decrease the price on that day. When you sell, you increase the price on that day to your balance. When you rest, that means whatever was your balance the last day, that's your balance today, right? Whatever was your balance when you last sold, that is your balance today. So not necessarily the last day I sold and chilling, right? That's all. You have to chill at least for one day. So now it go for each and every day. So for each, so going to each and every day, and so by now, like you can initialize sell to zero, which is fine. You sell and rest you can initialize to zero. This I'll initialize to a large negative value. The reason to initialize to large negative value is because I want to do y equals to max. Either whatever I have already bought or I am buying now. And if I'm buying now, it would be after last sell. Uh, you can buy only after resting. So you can buy only after resting. So after last rest, you minus price, right? Now, because you want to do the max of this, so you want to get this as the answer, right? So minus, so for the first it will be minus something, and you want to take that. So max of 2, so that's why I take this as large negative value, so that when I do the math dot max, I get I get this guy for the first day. Now, this is the buy, and if I sell, if my state is that I sold, then it will be either I sold someday back, or if I sell today, whichever give me the better thing. So if I sell today, that means whenever I last bought, and then I sell it, so plus price, right? And then other is rest. So rest is essentially your balance would be whatever you last sold, whatever you last sold though, not this sold, whatever you last sold. So it would be maybe you do the rest first. So rest equals to sell, and then sell equals to this. And in your last state, there will be two states. Either you have sold, and that could also mean you sold on that last day, or you've been resting. So return maps of rest and sell. Okay, let's run code. Semicolon and submit. Alright, this works. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also basically go through all the different variations of it, and maybe once I'm done, I'll maybe add a video on that as well. But that's it for now.